had our bottling line where we bottled every bottle of beer that Boulevard made was right in this room. Later you'll see the new bottling line and you'll kind of see how the difference is quite amazing. We age beer in barrels for a couple of reasons. One, the aging process, giving it time in a cool, dark place like this really does the beer a lot of good. We do the barrels more so for the former occupant of the barrel. We want to pull some of the flavors out. We use rye whiskey barrels and we use bourbon barrels. So over here we've got some of the Templeton rye barrels, and that'll house our rye on rye, which is one of our smokestack series. Now that we have the new brew house over here, our smokestack series beers we brew in the old brew house. Those are the ones we bottle in the 750 milliliter bottles that really go quickly, no matter where you're at. They're all individually labeled and numbered. Small batch beers. But the rye on rye will be in the rye barrels. We've got over here the oak barrels, originally were bourbon barrels. We'll do our bourbon barrel quad in those, and also an imperial stout.
How many times do you use the barrels, Tony?
We use most of the barrels 2 to 3 times. You'll notice on some of these they have some chalk lines. They'll come through and they'll check them every once in a while, about once a month. They'll check the beer to see whether it's of age or not. There's no set time frame for exactly when it's going to be done, so they check it on a continual basis. Whenever it's done, it's done. They'll send it out to market as soon as it's ready. They used to come in and do chalk marks on them, but you see we now have the scanning on there now. So now they scan them electronically. We've gone high tech. Any other questions?
On an average, how long are they in here? Like 2 weeks or 3 months? Or...
That depends on the beer. I think the average is probably 8 months to a year. But you're going to go longer with some of the imperial stouts and whatnot. And again, that's all about how the beer does in the barrel. If it's not ready, it's not ready.
What's the smallest volume you've done in number of barrels? Remember?
I can't answer that. All right, let's go on over to fermentation.